what has happened over a period of time? A lot of things have contributed for the original or the really old ancestral Indian diet to evolve currently, at least in the last 30, 40, 50 years, to be a very carbohydrate centric diet.
जी
Now, ये डाइट तब कार्बोहाइड्रेट सेंट्रिक था तो कुछ हद तक ठीक था, क्योंकि जब ब्रिटिशर्स थे वी केम आउट ऑफ 5 फैमिन्स, हम एक एग्रीकल्चरली स्ट्रॉन्ग इकोनॉमी बिल्ड करना चाहते थे, हम सेल्फ सफिशिएंट होना चाहते थे. सो द focus on being self-sufficient with grain, cereal, pulse production was higher. हमारी caloric, at that time it was more about how do we feed so many people when we came out of the Raj and when we came out of independence, right? And then तब हमारे jobs इतने labor intensive हुआ करते थे. ओके, सो उस समय पर अगर एक एवरेज हाउस होल्ड का कैलोरी कंजम्पशन और रादर carbohydrate consumption in 70s 80s was about 300 to 350 carbohydrates grams a day.
जी
वो चलता था because it was for a working class economy. A large part of the economy belonged to jobs where you needed physical energy.
जी
ठीक है. Now forward to last 20 years हमारी पूरी economy बदल गई है. Okay, and this is multifactorial again. So एक तो खाना हो गया कार्ब सेंट्रिक, ओके, और वही ट्रेडिशन चलता आ रहा है जो 70s 80s 90s 2000. आज भी आपके घर में पराठा है, आज भी मेरे घर में इडली है, ओके. भले ही 50 साल पहले योर grandparents or great parents after eating that paratha would go to the field and mine would be doing something else, probably some field work, labor work. Now we are eating the same paratha and the same idli and sitting in front of a laptop for the next 8 hours.
जी
Okay, so one is the food has remained the same, but our jobs have changed, our environment has changed, our lifestyle which had जो inbuilt action, movement, exercise था, तब कोई भी स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग नहीं करते थे, लेकिन हमारे आज के आप और मैं उठने से पहले उनके 10,000 स्टेप्स हो जाते थे.
ब्लिंकिट नहीं था, जेप्टो नहीं था,
Exactly.
एक्चुअली जाके सामान लाना पड़ता
आप
था.
जाते थे वीकली, रोज आपके घरों में एसी कार नहीं था, उबर नहीं था, ओला नहीं था, अफोर्डेबिलिटी भी नहीं थी. That was a
जी.
privilege of a very small section of society. Large people, like I remember my dad, he used to cycle and drop my brother to school, then he would cycle and drop my mother, then he would cycle and go. मैं चल के जाती थी. So all that was built. Now let's add the third layer. अभी क्या हो गया है in the last 20-30 years? The infiltration of ultra processed food, eating out, एंड जैसे आपने बोला क्विक अपना फूड डिलीवरी एप्स, ओके, ये सब था नहीं. इवन द अमाउंट ऑफ अल्ट्रा प्रोसेस्ड फूड जैसे बिस्किट, चिप्स एक्सेट्रा आ गए थे, लेकिन इतना परवेसिव नहीं था क्योंकि हमारी परचेजिंग पावर इतनी ज्यादा नहीं थी, डिस्पोजेबल इनकम ज्यादा नहीं था, तो आपको शायद महीने में एक बार कुछ मिलता था. मीठा वाज ऑन योर बर्थडे. टुडे इट इज एवरी डे, एवरी मील.
एंड एवरी लाइक पैकेट ऑफ चिप्स होता था कि 15 रुपए मिलते थे तो एक बार शायद कैंटीन से आप
एग्जैक्टली
एक फन फ्लिप्स का पैकेट ले लेते थे.
या इफ यू रिमेम्बर व्हेन वी वर इन स्कूल, एंड ऑफ द सेमेस्टर एग्जाम पे आपको 50 रुपया मिलता था. सो एवरी 3 months यू वुड गेट 50 रुपीज. आज एक आप समोसा और आइसक्रीम खाओ.
Right.
It was that rare. Now 8 to 10 hours, we've become the IT capital of the world. We are very proud that we do all of that. We've become a digitized economy.
जी.
Your job earlier at least would require you to stand on a factory floor or stand behind a desk for a customer service job or for a service oriented job. Today everything is behind automated and behind a laptop.
Right.
Now when all of this has changed, if your diet is going to be the same 300-350 carbs a day plus the infiltration of ultra processed food, which will take your average carbohydrate and fat consumption high, it's a problem. Today we are so blinded with pride that if somebody points out that hey, this diet now needs a little bit of a shift, because
It's not okay.
that is not okay, and then they think you're going against a fervor of nationalism or patriotism. I eat the same ghar ka khana only, okay, but today it requires a shift. It requires a shift saying you need probably a little more dal, you need more lentils, more legumes, more vegetables, more fruits, and if you're a meat eating household, maybe more eggs, more chicken, more paneer, rather than being grain centric.